just nailed it, and it is December 1st, and you know what that means. We get to open up our first envelope from the Charlie's Advent Calendar. She had two. One I want to say was glitters, and one is not. This is not, I believe. To feel it. Whoops. So let me try this about for a minute. Here is day one. We're gonna. Oops, not how I want it to open. These are glued in there good. We will close that until tomorrow. Okay, let's see what's in here. I do have one nail standing by to do something with whatever is in the pouch. These are cute bags. Love them. Great taste, Charlie. Ooh, we got a foil. It's called Christmas Joy. And this looks like, let me open it. We'll see what it looks like. Hopefully this isn't too loud on camera. If you haven't already subscribed and you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell and sit back and enjoy. I haven't painted my nail yet. Right now it's a blank canvas. Oh, how pretty. And again, oh, what did I do with it? Christmas Joy, this foil is called. These are beautiful. It's got the rocking horse, the leaf, the snowflake, reindeer, Santa's sleigh, Christmas bows, holly, Christmas trees, presents. What else should I see? What is this? I don't know what that one is. I can't tell. Well, I think I'm gonna paint. Oh, geez, what color nail should I do? What color nail? What color nail? For some reason, I want to use this green right here. It's kind of thick, though. I've never used it before. I've tried to do this to it, but it comes out kind of thick. Whoops. So I'm going to try this nail here. And see how this works. I do have a base coat down. It is by Beauty. I love this shade of green. Quite a nice even coat. I do have my lamp standing by to cure. I'm going to take it off my stand. We are back. I paused it. I put 2 coats of, this is by, I got this on AliExpress. I do really like the color. It's just really super thick. I am now going to put some foil glue on by iMethod. I've had this bottle for a while and it's kind of jankied up. So we're going to cover the whole nail liberally. So you want to make sure you got full coverage. Whoops. Full coverage, alright, we're gonna be swimming in it. Sorry, I'm out of frame. It's a bad habit of mine lately. So we got that in the lamp with nail foil glue for 30 seconds. I'm gonna cut me a piece of foil. There we go. And again, this foil is called Christmas Joy, which are the things for Christmas that bring you joy. Only thing it's missing is Jesus in the manger and a cross. So we're going to try this out when it comes out of the lamp. I'm going to put my stand aside. I think this is a beautiful foil by Charlie's. I am a brand ambassador. Please use my code and help me out. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Can't get the foil off the mat. So I am going to get my silicone mold here. Silicone mold, listen to me lie. Whatever this job you do is called, I'm out of frame. I want to get my reindeer really good. See a lot of girls using this instead of, I was always rubbing it on for heat, I guess you'd say. Let me see how we're doing. Beautiful. There's my one nail with Christmas Joy. I think that is a beautiful foil. You could use this over red, black. Where's my top coat? There's base. We're going to go in with my Pucci No White top coat. You can find them on Amazon. This is a sister company to Umic. My code for Charlie's, charliesnailart.co.uk. Please use my code and help me out. I'd greatly appreciate it. It is nailed at 10, all caps. I will have that across the screen, and all my codes are always in my description box. I mean, I've got them for multiple companies, Maniology, Model Ones, Charlie's Nail Art, BRC, Chip6Pieces.com, She Modern. Let me put a little bit of bling on here, just a little bit. Get a few out. Trying to get them each right side up. We're just going to add a couple bling. Make it sparkle. But you get it to come off the picker-upper. Should have pulled my new one out. I have a new one that I've only used a few times. Ugh. I was out of frame, wasn't I? So here we go with our sparkle. I'm going to pop this in the lamp, give this a full 60-second cure. I think this is really cute. We are back and fresh out of the lamp. My sparkle on my Christmas nail. Again, the foil is called Christmas Joy by Charlie's Nail Art. Today is December 1st, day 1 of a 24-day advent calendar that Charlie will send me. She sent all her brand ambassadors an advent calendar. Just to thank you, Charlie, very much. On behalf of all of us, thank you, honey. We are greatly honored. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my nail. Charlie's foil. I think it's really cute. I think it turned out very well. This would look great over red, silver maybe even. You could do black. I think it's really cute. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and click all. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Have a blessed day and thank you.